So I went out for a ride the other day. Everything was going great. And I got back to the house, and for some reason, when I went to put the kickstand down, the spring decided to come off. I've been trying to get it back on there, and the only way I can figure out how to do it safely is to take that nut off and take the whole kickstand out. Everything I try right now just won't go back in. I don't know if the spring's stretched or what the deal is. So after just messing with this for a few minutes, I figured out to do it the best. So go all the way forwards, take the spring, come up around the front of it, on the outside. And it just hooks right in. I still don't understand how that spring came out. Take this little keyway with the kickstand up. Put it so this little lock piece is facing forwards. Put your nut back on. And then the book tells you to put a red Loctite on it and then tighten it to 20 foot-pounds. Since I'm going to replace the spring as soon as I can get one, I'm just going to torque it down and keep an eye on it. And then it locks right back in, so yep. All that's left, torque it down. And that's it. Ready to go for a ride. I can't even take the spring out at all. I don't understand how it came out, but it did. So I want to replace it. I was trying to figure out even a way to tie this thing up in an emergency. I can't really figure out a good, safe way to do that. Definitely a safety issue. Forgot to say the size of the nut was 11/16.